Hey y'all, we are here at the Hobby Lobby. Now, if you don't know, there is supposedly a scam going around. I am here to either debunk that or show you guys that there is no scam going on. If there is a scam going on, I have some theories behind it. So let's go see if Hobby Lobby is scamming people on their prices. Apparently, what they're saying is that there is different prices on the same item in a lot of their stuff. So let's check out a few things and see if we can debunk this. All right, the first item we have, this one says it is $21.99. And oh my gosh, this is the first item I've looked at. Look at this, you guys. This is $18.99. This is $21.99. It is the exact same item. Oh, I am like shocked right now. I cannot believe the first item I picked up here. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to think right now. $21.99 versus $18.99. Let's go find some other things. These are super cute. Oh my gosh, we got $19.99 for this. $19.99. It looks like there's 3 of them. And $19.99. Okay, so those are all correct. Let's see. Okay, let's look at this. There's 3 of these. I'm gonna see $19.99. Oh, $16.99. Oh my gosh. And we have another $16.99. What the heck? And as you can see, the first item is marked more. We have about 4 or 5 of these here. Let's check the prices. I'm seeing $22, $22, $22, $22, and $29. Okay, so those are all marked the same price. Okay, so now I'm in a little bit different section. Let's check the prices of this. Yeah, that is really kind of cute. I'm liking that. Okay, we're not shopping. All right, so let's check the price here. Okay, that is $32.99. Let's see what this one is behind it. Oh my gosh, it's $45.99, you guys. Oh my gosh, what is this one right here? Oh my gosh, my kids are freaking out because they found some more. This one is $32.99. What the heck is going on, Hobby Lobby? Okay, my daughter just found these. This is $17.99, and then she found another one that is $13.99. Look at y'all, it is the same thing, but
no,
for
they're not.
They're not. Okay. No. Okay. So, all right.
Okay.
We found.
That's my fault.
Yeah. So just double check. Some of them are different sizes. Double check because we are seeing some that are just a little bit smaller and they are cheaper. So that would mean, yeah, it should be cheaper because it's smaller. Okay. We found another one. This is $10.99, and then I just moved this other one up on top. This one is $8.99. $2 difference, you guys. If you're here and you're grabbing, let's say 5 things, and there's a price difference between $2 to $4, like you could be either paying $15 more or saving $15. It's crazy. I don't even know what to say. I do have a couple theories behind that, and I will let you guys know here shortly what my theories are on why these prices are kind of all over the place.
You're at Hobby Lobby, and I even found a price difference. Let me show you. So this first one here says $10.99. This one back here says $11.99. Same thing. You can see same size and everything, but different price.
All right, so now we are in the basket area. Now everything is 50% off right now. Let me show you what I found. $10.99 for this basket. $10.99 for this basket. And $12.99 for this basket. Exactly the same item. Okay, so I found these baskets here. Now, they are 2 different colors. I'm not sure if that really makes a difference, but this one is $19.99. This one is $29.99. All right, I'm gonna look back here and see if, let me move this up here. If, oh, that's like upside down. Okay, let's see how much this one is. That one is $29.99. Okay, so those are priced the same. Let's see if what this one is. That's $19.99. Okay, so the color makes it $10 more. I don't know. That seems a little ridiculous. Here's another basket, $12.99 and $16.99. That's a $4 difference. I do have my theories on why this might be happening. Number one, I think that they're getting different shipments in, and at that time they're just pricing things. Like, remember, like inflation was really driving things up. Higher increased items are because of the inflation, and you're seeing the 2 different prices because of that. So maybe they're either getting higher items in and they're pricing them higher, and we're seeing the old stuff still here before all the inflation. That's the only thing that I can think of. So I do think that Hobby Lobby needs to go in and make everything the same prices, because it's really going to be, it really looks bad on Hobby Lobby if that's the case, or if there's really some scam going on with Hobby Lobby, which I don't know, because you know they are a Christian company. They're closed on Sundays, and I just hope that's not the case. I'm hoping this is just a missed, overlooked thing that's happening at Hobby Lobby, and maybe it is, you know, things are costing them more and they have to mark things up higher from what they're paying for it just to make their profit, because they do have to make so much money off of everything. But still, check your prices when you're here at Hobby Lobby, because you can see it's insane, like the price difference. But also check the size, because I am seeing that. Oh, these. All right, so I did find another thing. This one is $21.99. This one is $15.99. Now I do see a difference here. This says home decor storage, and this one says table decor. Now I'm curious to see if it has the same SKU. Let's see, 6904. So same SKU, but they're calling it table decor versus home decor. So kind of interesting. We are looking through all these floating shelves, and it looks like those are all priced like they should be, all the same price. By the way, all of the Christmas items are now 50% off, so you can start decorating over Christmas if you'd like to. All right, guys, I found another one. This one says $11.99, and this one back here says $12.99. I found another one. This is $6.99, and this one back here is $8.99. So as you can guys see, like, this is a little bit different tag than this, so I'm wondering if the higher price items are just maybe old. I don't know. It could be the other way around. I'm not sure. Okay, guys, I found another one. This is like we are in the paint aisle. This is $3.99, and this is $2.99. Same thing. Well, guys, there was your Hobby Lobby scam report, or whatever you want to call it. Yes, you guys, it is true. There is different prices on the same item here at Hobby Lobby. Now, let me know next time you go to Hobby Lobby, check and see if what you're buying does have the same price, or if it is different. Go through the store. It was kind of fun. I could go on and show you guys more items, but again, I want you guys to go to the store and find this out yourselves. Let me know down below if you did. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.